A year back in Uttarakhand, temples were washed away. Houses fell like a pack of cards. Pilgrimage sites got fully covered in rubble and man and nature were face to face. A year after the deadly Uttarakhand deluge, rivers in the state are back to their furious best. Reports have it that in little over a decade, this is the first time that the state has failed to find a place in the top 10 tourist destinations in India. A special NNIS ground report brought to you from Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand just a year back saw one of the worst natural tragedies where life, property and everything associated to them was lost. Things for the state are back to where the things were last year, though not as bad as the conditions then. Statistics reveal that Uttarakhand floods of 2013 had left 5,000 people dead. Many bodies were never recovered, hence some pegged the toll at a steep 10,000. The floods had caused severe damage to infrastructure like roads. People visiting Uttarakhand has gone down and the recent rains and landslides in the state have added to the problem. In 2012, Uttarakhand was 8th among the top 10 tourist destinations. Pilgrimage to the Char Dhams, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri and Yamunotri has virtually come to a standstill.
ये तो अभी मात्र 120 मिलीमीटर वर्षा हुई थी, पर आप याद करके चलें कि देहरादून का ऑल टाइम रिकॉर्ड है 487 मिलीमीटर्स का। यदि 487 मिलीमीटर यदि कभी अब फ्यूचर में हुई, हालांकि अभी नहीं होने जा रही है, पर कभी भी किसी साल में होती है आने वाले समय में, तो 25 से 30% जो घर हैं आसपास इन नदियों के वो बह जाएंगे और काफी ज्यादा नुकसान होगा।
Industry body PhD Chambers of Commerce and Industries, in one of its report, has estimated a loss of Rs 12,000 crores to the state's tourism sector after the 2013 disaster. Recent reports of the climatic conditions are not good. 52 people have died so far in separate incidents in Pauri, Dehradun, Tehri and Nainital districts over the past few days. The Uttarakhand government has sounded an alert. At least 200 state disaster response force personnel have been pressed into rescue operations. 2 families were crushed to death in 2 landslides in Dehradun.
जो लोग इस हादसे में हताहत हुए हैं, मैं उनके पारिवारिक जनों को संवेदना भी व्यक्त कर रहा हूं और मैं सरकार से भी मांग कर रहा हूं कि जितना जल्दी हो सकता है उतना जल्दी वहां पर उनकी मदद करें और हम लोग भी जो संभव हो सकता है वो सब कुछ करेंगे।
As per the Uttarakhand Disaster Management Center, 12 villages including Bargar, Dibogi and Pattipala have been cut off from more travel road heads. A net 32 connecting roads have been washed away or damaged in cloudbursts and other rain-related incidents in Yamkeshwar and Pauri tehsils. Haridwar and Rishikesh too have seen the effect. 4,500 residents in the affected villages face issues related to essential commodities, namely milk, vegetables and fruits. The Chief Minister has given clear instructions to intensify relief and rescue operations by the use of helicopters.
कहा कि पहला काम तो करो, रास्ता खोलो और दूसरा किसी तरीके से हो कुछ मदद और कुछ व्यक्ति वहां तक पहुंचो ताकि उनको एश्योर किया जा सके कि भाई यू आर नॉट अनअटेंडेड, आपका ध्यान है मगर कुछ कठिनाई है इसलिए नहीं पहुंचा जा सक रहा।
The government would airdrop food packets and rations to affected families in calamity-hit districts. Many people have been killed and lakhs have been displaced as swelling rivers and landslides destroyed farmlands and crumbled homes. In Uttarakhand, the death toll has risen to 52. Nearly 16 villages remain flooded and over 30,000 people have been isolated due to incessant rains. Reports meanwhile suggest that water is retreating.
ओवरऑल काफ़ी सारी क्षतियों की सूचना यहाँ मिली है और ख़ासतौर से पौड़ी में सबसे ज़्यादा घटनाओं की सूचना मिली है। पौड़ी में यमकेश्वर ब्लॉक में सबसे ज़्यादा, उसके बाद द्वारीखाल ब्लॉक में, कलजीखाल ब्लॉक में करीब 6-7 गांवों से मृत्यु की सूचना मिली है।
Uttarakhand Meteorological Department Director Anand Sharma has blamed the damages to life and property on the houses built in landslide-prone areas and floodplains. The state government has announced compensation to families of the victims and those of the dead. The Disaster Management Unit of the state is meanwhile putting its best foot forward.
खासतौर से हमने SDRF, NDRF की एक टीम रवाना कर दी है और लैंसडाउन से एक टीम गुमखाल होते हुए द्वारीखाल के रवाना करने का अनुरोध कर लिया है और आगे के लिए हमने आर्मी से, ITBP से, SSB से और वायुसेना से स्टैंड बाय में रहने का अनुरोध किया है। अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो उनकी मदद ली जा सकती है।
Powered by NNIS.